Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about 日本語 hanashimasu. Yes, so 日本語 means Japanese language, so you can see it, this one. So let me grab a pen. Yes, this one, 日本語 means Japanese language. And then hanashimasu, this part means speak. Yes, so 日本語 hanashimasu. I want to say speak Japanese, yes, or speak in Japanese language. Yes, so there are two ways to use this sentence. So let me see. The first one is 日本語を話します. So O is used. Yeah, as you can see, 日本語を話します. So it means speak Japanese language. So your main point of this sentence is speak the Japanese language. So in that case, 日本語を話します. So O is used. Okay, but maybe in another situation you want to say speak something using the Japanese language. So in that case we use で, yes, because で shows the a kind of tool, okay, to speak, to accomplish the main action, in this case speak, 話します. Yes, so you want to say speak something, but when you express something, you want to use the Japanese language. In that case, 日本語で話します. Yes, so we say, for example, 日本語で考えを話します. 考え means thought. Okay, so I speak my thought in Japanese language. In that case, 日本語で考えを話します. Okay, so today I'm talking about these two sentences. 日本語を話します and 日本語で話します. Just one syllable difference, just one particle difference, but the meaning is not exactly the same. So 日本語を話します means speak Japanese language. And 日本語で話します you speak something using the Japanese language. Alright, I hope it helps. See you next time. さよなら。またね。